Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to science class. In last class, we learnt about diseases in detail. Today, let's continue the lesson. First topic, specific health problems of children. Anemia. Anemia is caused by eating food with less iron content and also caused due to feeding some other food. For example, hookworm infection, chronic diarrhea, and dysentery may lead severe anemia in children. What are the signs of anemia? Pale or transparent skin. The inner surface of eyelids are pale, white fingernails, pale gums, weakness and fatigue. Feet and face may be swollen. Heartbeat is rapid and with shortness of breath. Then, children and women who eat mud are usually anemic. Prevention and treatment for anemia by food. Moringa leaves, dates, liver of sheep and chicken. Greens and green leafy vegetables by pills. Pills means solid medicine for swallowing whole. Hard liver oil tablet and ferrous sulfate. Girls, do you understand? Okay. Next topic, safety and first aid. What is first aid? First aid treatment is given immediate before medical illness. First aid is important because it saves the life, it prevents further bleeding and determines the condition of the patient. It relieves the pain. It provides a medical care available at the earliest. Next topic, burns. What is the meaning of burns? Tissue damage is caused by heat, chemicals, electricity, sunlight or nuclear radiation is known as burns. Most burns are caused by scald, building, fire, etc. Scald means injured with very hot liquid. There are three types of burning according to degree of burning. First degree burns affecting only outer layer of skin called epidermis. Second degree of burns damages the epidermis and layer beneath called dermis. Third degree burns damage complete destruction of skin and damage underlying tissues also. Next, first aid for burning. In case of minor burns, the affected area should be washed with cold water and an antiseptic cream should be applied. In case of severe burns, where deeper layers of tissues get destroyed and blister appear, use of water should be avoided. The burnt area should be covered with a clean, non-sticking cloth or bandages. Larger burns need immediate medical attention. It is very important to keep a fire extinguisher readily available. Girls, do you understand? Next topic, cut and scratches. It damages the area on surface of the skin. What is cut? A cut is a line of damage that can go through skin and into the muscle tissues below. This may lead to bleed or turn red and become infected. First aid for cuts. For minor cuts, the affected area should be washed with cold running water and cleaned with an antiseptic liquid. Then, an antiseptic cream should be applied on the wound and sterilized bandage should be tied and prevent infection. If the cut is deep, a clean cotton bud should be placed on the cut and pressed, and the injured person should be taken to a doctor immediately. The next topic, basic cleanliness and protection. The most important thing is to help anybody, but you must also protect yourself from HIV and other bloodborne diseases. When you help someone who is bleeding, you should wear gloves or a clean plastic bag on your hands. Be careful not to prick yourself with needles or other sharp objects around the person you are helping. Students, read the topic points to remember given in page number 85. So, girls, we successfully completed this lesson. You can start studying this lesson. That's all for today's class. Thank you, students.